A lot. A lot is happening in my life. A lot of running around is happening. A lot of things are happening. But yes, I know you all are quite keen on knowing when am I coming on screen. And I do have a little surprise in for you, which I'm not going to tell right now. But yes, you guys need to wait for it. I think nobody's journey is a smooth one. I think everybody has their own roller coasters they need to ride on, and so is mine. It ain't that smooth, but it's a lot of fun. I think I love the uncertainty my job has, and the amount of running around my job has. It does keep me fit. It's been quite interesting, and it's only been motivating me more and more. Every day I feel that yes, my decision was right, and today I am over here looking forward to a lot more adventure. Am I watching something on television? No, I'm not much of a television person who watches. I'm more of a book reader. I would rather prefer opening a book and reading it through. A lot of them, a lot of characters I would like to play. I don't know if I should really specify them right now, but I do want to play a sports girl. It's something that has been with me. I'm a national badminton player, so that really comes to me. So I'm really looking forward to get a chance to be able to play a sports girl. That is something which is there on the top of my list. I think I should start with that. I don't think I would do anything differently. Like, I think I was just talking to her some time back, and I was telling her that maybe I could have started a little early. But I couldn't continue a conversation, but now I'm telling you guys about it that yeah, maybe I could have started early, but I think the time I had spent in my college days are something that very few people may get to experience, and I'm so glad I had that experience that every day I want to go back to those days. So I think I wouldn't want to change anything. God has planned things for me, and they will happen at the right time, and I trust in Him. I know He's taking me in the right direction. Yes, you can see the smile. Yes, my dream director is definitely Mr. Imtiaz Ali. I really hope someday I do get to work with him. And actor, I would say again my dream. Ever since I was a kid, I had been wanting to work with Mr. Amir Khan. So yes, there are two people in my list. I hope I get to tick them off really soon. Yes. I think I'm really proud of my family. I'm proud of my parents. I'm proud to have a family who's helped me come here, who's supported me in this journey where there were a lot of uncertainties. You know, even they didn't know what I was getting into, and yet they were there. They are still there to support me and to understand what I'm trying to do. So I'm really proud of my mom, of my dad, of my brother, of my pet dog who's always with me, of my Nani ji, who says that I'm kind of fulfilling her dream of coming on screen, and it's just like the best moment of my life to hear this from my Nani. As I said, I love to read. I'm a badminton player. I think before this interview I'd gone for a couple of hours off to playing badminton and come here. I read a lot. And I love to cook, so I do have a lot of cooking plans that happen otherwise. I'm most afraid of losing confidence in myself, or losing the belief that I have in me. I don't know if I have experienced that yet. Maybe I'm yet to experience it. I think this question is way too soon. Let's see. Hi, this is Monica, and you're watching me on Glitz Vision. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel for more such updates on me.